I want to say that as Tandonji said just now, that I have been installed as the silver president this year. So I have a lot of responsibilities and I will carry out the responsibilities to my best capacity. I have with me a all-woman team, president, the secretary, the treasurer, and even the region chairman with me, all ladies, Line Ridula Mohan. So I think we should do better than the men. When we are all ladies together, I will try my best to do all the activities, and I will do only need-based activities. We had a PST seminar. In that line, Mahesh ji said, there was one boy and he was making one man cross the road, एक अंधा को बार बार रास्ता क्रॉस करा रहा था. Why? Because that was the activity he had to do that day. So he was doing it because it was required to be done. I will not do that. I will do need-based activities. Today morning we have a Lions Club. Our club has adopted one school, a government school, and it's called the what is Rudrama Devi School, and just it's in Vivekanandapuram. And we have been doing a follow-up of health checkup every year for them. So being Lion C.S. Reddy's birthday today, I had informed our district cabinet secretary that we are doing the camp today. We have done that camp. Of course, we didn't do a blood donation, but we had a very nice follow-up camp of these children, and they are doing well now. They had calcium deficiency and other deficiencies, folic acid deficiency. But because we've been doing this camp every year, and the children are doing much better now. On 15th of August, we are going to donate shoes to these children because most of these children don't have shoes. So one of our line members, Line Bhudev Chakravarti, has been kind enough to donate shoes to these children. And on 4th of July, which is Line Deepak Bhattacharya's birthday, we are inaugurating our permanent project, that is the RO plant for the slum area in Vivekanandapuram and the other outskirts over there. We are starting. I thank Line Aurobindo Guha because without his support, we would not have got the RO plant. He is the CEO of Tata Project. I thank him for this. And further on, we will continue every month with the adopted school and all other blood donation camp. The Thalassemia Society has already approached us to do a camp. So I have decided I'll do it in my college because I have a lot of young blood and they have asked us to collect more than 300 units of blood. So like this, I will continue with all my programs, and I know the ladies team that I have with me will be there throughout for supporting me, and none the least, the men are also with me. And I know they will all help me out in all my projects. Thank you.